Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to implement the camera aim. So, first of all, go to project settings, select input and type a key and name it, just name it camera aim and select key mouse right key. Perfect. Now go to the blueprints and from here just type camera aim, and before start implementing, first just for demonstration see the if I change the value to 65, compile, save and press play, here you can see our camera is just like so. Now go to the event graph and from here when we press add a timeline, add timeline and name it camera aim timeline, and when we release it will go to reverse. Just like before, double click on this and create a function and name it camera aim, as we are changing the field of view, so name it field of view and change its value to 0.5, just name it 0.5. just like before, hold down shift and place a, as you can see, when the frame will be 0 the field of view will be 90, and when the field of view, when the value is 0.5 the field of view will be 65. Field of view will be 65. Now select this and this, compile it, save it. Now what we are going to do, go to event graph and select the first person camera and change it to default value. Just drag it here and from here and type for set field of camera, set field of view, and from here just drag this and also this. Now compile it, save it and press. As you can see, when I press the right mouse key nothing's happened. Let me see. Just see the camera aim value and go to just see from here, type 90 and just here from here. Now compile, save it, go to event graph, now press play. Again nothing's happened, there is some problem here. Just update, we did not update it. Now compile it, save and press play, and here you can see, but you can see the aiming time is, duration is, we want to decrease its duration and just select to 0.5 2. Perfect. And from here to 0.2. Compile it, save it, and now press play. Here you can see. Perfect. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will start implementing the loop, firing loop for our character. See you in next lecture.